Well, today we have the Redmi 9A. You could call it the Xiaomi Redmi 9A. Alright, now the variant I have today is the 4GB RAM, 128GB memory. And now most of you love big memory, so this would be a good option for you. And the fact that it's quite affordable and a decent phone. Trust me, it's a decent phone. Alright, let's unbox this. So, standard packaging, nothing so fancy. So on top we have the user manual, I believe. Then on top here we have the phone itself. Pretty standard. Let's put this aside. So let's put this right here. Okay, so that's the Redmi right there. So inside the box we have the standard brick charger. This must be the fast charging brick. Yeah, that's the charging brick. And then you also have a Type-C cable. You can use it for charging or transferring data. Alright, I think that's all. That's all that's in the box. No headsets. And the user manual must be inside here. Okay, let's get to the user manual. That's all. It's pretty standard. So right here we got it's a dual SIM phone, dual SIM, micro SD, power button, volume rockers, and the USB. Okay, so that's it. The rest is just the way it is. Let's get to the phone. We shall get back to this later on. Alright. So this is your phone. This is what you get. Basically, this is what you get. Okay. So let's try to power this up and test it out. So power button, volume rockers, and this is the USB port, SIM card, and that's where you insert your headphones. Okay. So as it powers on right now, let's wait for it. Hold the power button. Release. Alright, it's booting up. So straight out of the box, the phone is at 71%. Let's get this off. Alright, let's peel this off. Okay, so that's been peeled off, and this is our phone. Alright, straight out of the box, it's at 71%. I hope you can see that it's at 71%. So it's a pretty standard phone. This variant is one for China, so it comes pre-installed with some of the Chinese apps. We have TikTok, Baidu Map, Xiaomi Wallet. Let's see what's here. Okay, Weibo, Alipay, Taobao, QQ browser. Yeah, so let's get into the spec sheet. Okay, so settings, and so I'm gonna hold this phone for a while and have a real feel of what it feels like. Then I'll give you a full review after a while. SIM 1, SIM 2. Remember, it's a dual SIM. If you have your 2 SIM cards, you're gonna enjoy this phone. And it's a pretty standard phone, right? It's nothing fancy, nothing, but it really does the job. It does the job. Okay, so right here you have the back camera, 30 megapixels, and the front I think is around 8. Let's try the back camera. Take a picture of the box itself. Let's do this. No. Alright, let's try connecting to Wi-Fi.